In today's video I'll show you how to turn on microphone noise suppression on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, head to the System Settings app and then scroll down until you are in the section called Audio. Scroll down again and find the Audio Input section. Within here you should see the microphone noise suppression option, and you can use the toggle switch here to enable or disable it. You might also want to adjust other mic settings, such as the microphone volume. That's how to turn on microphone noise suppression on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.